If you don't dress for your body type, certain clothes are going to look a little bit weird on you. So we're going to figure out what your body type is. So in total, there are 5 body types. So the first one is hourglass, oval or apple, then inverted triangle, triangle or pear, and rectangle. So first for the hourglass, your bust and your hips are about equal width, and your waist is likely very defined. And you'll probably also have a bigger bust and a bigger peach. And you'll probably describe yourself as being on the curvier side. Now for the oval or the apple body type, your waist is equal to or greater than your bust and your hip measurements. You also likely have little to no definition in your waist area. You generally will have a bigger bust, and when you gain weight, you probably gain it first in your midsection, or like your stomach area. And then third, for the inverted triangle, your shoulders and your bust are going to be wider than your hips. And you probably have a smaller peach, hip, thigh region. You'll probably describe yourself as having broader shoulders, and when you gain any weight, your upper body is really going to be the place where you first notice that change. And for the triangle or pear-shaped body type, your hips are going to be wider than your bust. So you carry more of your weight in your lower part of your body. Your waist is likely going to be very defined, and it's going to be more narrow than your hips are. And you probably also have more narrow shoulders, and when your weight changes, you'll first notice that change in your thighs or your hip area. And finally, for the rectangle body shape, your bust, your waist, and your hips are all going to be pretty much in equal width. And your waist is going to be more straight than it is curvy, like an hourglass would be. And rectangle body types are usually on the taller side and have more of that athletic build, but this isn't always the case. And if you watch this entire video and you're still confused about what your body shape is, you're probably going to be a mix of multiple different body types, because most of us, let's be honest, do not just fit perfectly into one of the 5 categories. And most of us are going to be a mix of 2 or 3. So look at all the body types, figure out which elements you have of each body shape, combine that together, and that is your body type.